Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to link WhatsApp to Facebook page. If you want to know how it's done, this video is for you. First thing you need to do is just click on your profile icon right here and then switch to your profile page. Now, once you have switched for it, as you can see it is switching, you should be able to see in here this Meta Business Suite. So just head over to the Meta Business Suite and this is what it looks like then. What we can do is you can actually click on this All Tools right here. On this All Tools right here, we should be able to see the settings. So just look for the settings that actually says something like page settings right there. If you can see it from here, what you can do is you can click on here on the settings as well. And once you have clicked on settings, you should be able to see the people settings, business settings, and also this right here. So click on business settings. And then from in there, you should be able to see the businessfacebook.com. And then in here, you should be able to see the option for that. So you can see that they have this settings right here. Now under the accounts, you should be able to see this WhatsApp account. So click on WhatsApp account right there. And then once you have clicked on that, you can see that we don't have any WhatsApp account yet. So click on add WhatsApp account. And then head over and proceed to put in here your phone number and then click on continue. And once you have done that, you will be prompted to be verified in order to add your business account on WhatsApp on your Facebook page. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.